How to find duplicate queries? Here is my records. Here is my student name list. I want to find same names at that conditions. I can use this queries. For that, I show you how to say example. I want to show you here is the name of student Hari, only Hari, or the Sam and Sam's. And here is the Siva, single only one person Siva. But Hardy and Sam is a repeated name here. So I want to find the students separate list. For that, you can go create options. There is many options. Go to create and go to any wizard here, and then use this option find duplicate queries wizards and click OK. It shows us table queries. We have a now table. This is my table, so select this table and then click next. This field my content duplicate informations. In case I want to show the pen name, so I select it and then this arrow to show the duplicate value field and then click next. Yes, you can see here. Do you want the queries to show the field since to those duplicate value? If you want to show the other information of that duplicate value persons, you can add it to show other information like IDs and address. So you can add this here, it and click next arrow. And I also want to add this address too. So next, this information also I get duplicate content and address. Select this, you just see the student name. If you select options, you can see the information of that duplicate person, duplicate value student. Next, like you can give the name of series, like finish. See here, that is my Hardy is a pen name, and it's also study has also details. You get ID number and the address too here. But you didn't see here the Siva because Siva is a single person, single student, so here is my students too. But value content queries has another Siva because that name hasn't repeated again. This way we can find duplicate queries of access.